What to do if you have assigned morning readiness before workout. Why morning readiness? Because you have to write it in the morning when you get out of the bed. So for this we go to a workout and we click on morning readiness. Here you see you can also write something in your journal, and here you can also take pictures and videos. So here we have two questions that ask about the state of your muscles and about how you feel. The first question is about muscle freshness. On a scale from 1 to 10, you mark how fresh your muscles are. 1 means very sore and 10 means fresh. The second question is about your mood state. On a scale from 1 to 10, you mark how you feel. 1 means you're highly annoyed and 10 means you're in very positive mood. So when you enter that, you have the access to a workout.